Let's learn Python. Let's first see what actually is Python. In single word, Python is a programming language. The main question is why we should choose Python language. I mean, there are a lot of languages that you can choose from, but Python has its own significance that many languages do not have. Let's understand it this way. Every programmer expects three things from a programming language: easy to learn, efficiency, and expect multitasking. And Python provides all these three things simultaneously, which you will not get in any other programming language. Let's compare Python's basics Hello World program with C++ Hello World program. This is C++ code, where you have to write a minimum of 5 lines of code to print just a single statement on screen. While this is Python code, where you just have to write 1 line of code to print statement on screen. In following playlist, we will look at basics of Python, data types in Python, conditional statements. Then we will move towards object-oriented programming concepts. Then we will start our data analysis and data science journey. We will cover everything in Python along the way. Hope you will enjoy the journey ahead.